Hi there, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest tip and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You guys, Somizi has been trending the whole day today, all because of a guy named Ali, who's a TikToker who went onto the platform and allegedly exposed Somizi for wanting to sleep with him. Now, let us take a look at the video, you guys, and please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Sanbonan Bafwethu Njani. Actually, responding to what Somizi just posted about my company, AB Sound. Me and Somizi have been communicating about the modeling thing, modeling shows. I asked him from the get-go that Somizi, would you please be part of the Jaja for this youth event? Obviously, I'm just sponsoring the young people actually to pursue their dreams, and my modeling agency is for free for each and every person. I don't ask for registration fees. I don't ask anything. Young people, I just feel like young people, they also need a good platform for them to expose their talent and what so on. So I'm giving everyone actually a platform. So the most reason why I think Somizi got angry is because he's been wanting me for so long. He want me to fuck him. Actually, he wants me to have sex with him. I've got a lot of voices note that you guys are going to listen, but I'm going to sample at least one or two. Then you guys are going to listen. I'm gonna post a voice note after this. You're just gonna listen. So there's a lot of conversation between us that he wants to fuck me. He wants us to do sex and what's on what positions and shit like that. So me now, I'm not gay, guys. I'm not a gay. I don't know how to sleep with someone. I'm not a gay. Why? How can I just fuck someone without boobs, without ass, without bra, like just the bones, nje? Ay, angfuni. So Mina, I'm here because I'm defending my brand. I wasn't gonna say anything if me and him, because me and him were chatting yesterday, we were communicating yesterday. We chatted, then I tell him, no, this is just semi-final. And I asked him, how much do you want? He never responded. He just tell me that I'm going to post you. So he actually just post without even saying how much. And me and him, we never talk about money from the beginning of this thing. Just because I refused to fuck him, that's the reason why he got angry, because he's been wanting me for a long time. We have been meeting up every time and what so on. Me and him, we never had a problem. Just because now he see that I don't want to fuck him. That's why he's getting angry. So he want to get back to me. So guys, I'm not going to let my company go down like that because of someone. Obviously, the AB sound is for free. I'm giving, it's not like I'm getting money. I'm investing money on young people. I'm just helping the youth. So I'm going to sample one voice note. Just listen to what he said. Just listen to what Somizi said. That's his voice.
Ali, stop complicating things. I can still bring you food. I can still give you my pussy, um, whatever. But let's just talk about time. What time are you busy until? And then I can work around that. And we still have to go to Louis Vuitton. No. Why are you derailing right now?